Hello viewers, I am Saurabh Pava, Advocate Mediator, Delhi Dispute Resolution Society. Today I wish to throw some light on what is pre-litigation and post-litigation mediation process and how it is beneficial for a society in order to settle the disputes amicably, easily, economically and in a speedy way. Pre-litigation mediation is arguable to most empowering method of dispute resolution. Mediation, as a mode of alternative dispute resolution, is a voluntary process where the parties to the dispute come together to avail opportunity to mediate and decide the terms of mutual settlement with the assistance of a trained and neutral person called the mediator. To transform the status quo prevailing in the Indian judicial system, mediation as an alternative to dispute redressal mechanism can be considered as a way forward to allow the parties to settle their disputes amicably between them. Pre-litigation mediation can be understood as a consensual process whereby the disputing parties come together to settle the disputes amicably between them with the aid of an impartial and trained mediator before institution of suit in the court of law. It is a preferred way of settlement because, unlike a suit where a judge is the adjudicator, in mediation there is no such adjudicator to direct the parties, and a successful mediation always assures win-win situation for the disputants since the main instrument for the process of mediation are negotiation and understanding. Pre-litigation mediation covers a wide range of cases such as domestic, commercial, property-related matters, consumer disputes, among others. Indians have been reliant on court-delivered litigation and arbitration for resolving various disputes. The significance and impact of mediation is amicable dispute resolution is vastly underrated, underappreciated, as reliance on mediation has been restricted to only family disputes and certain commercial matters. However, the advent of COVID 19 has forced the world, including the legal industry, to change the norms and to adopt and reform around the new normal. It is believed that the in, it is believed that the insurgence of COVID 19 will give an opportunity to rediscover the significance of mediation as an effective way of dispute resolution mechanism. Mediation was popular even before it found a place in books of law. Acknowledging the importance of mediation, the Indian legislature enacted the Legal Service Authority Act 1987, which introduced the Lok Adalat system. Lok Adalat provides platform to resolve the dispute by way of amicable settlement. Considering the backlog of cases lying pending before the Indian courts, Malimath Committee report was formed, which recommended that the parties be encouraged to refer their dispute for mediation and conciliation. The outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in the introduction of various restrictions and changes in the law by the legislature, thereby disrupting the functioning of courts and businesses. As a result, several disputes have arisen between two parties. Pre and post mediation is the process to resolve the conflict between two parties through mutual satisfactory agreement. Mediation, as compared to traditional legal proceedings, is speedy, affordable, confidential, flexible, and moreover, it establishes relationship between two disputing parties. Further, when the disputing parties enter into a litigation, Indian legal process, say Indian legal system, requires them to raise certain issues in order to contest their case in the court of law. This process of Indian legal system gives birth to rigidness between the parties. Mediation is the process where the parties can do mediation before approaching court. As a result, it provides more flexibility between the parties and parties can come to an amicable settlement more easily and quickly. A famous mediator said, an ounce of mediation is equal to a pound arbitration and ton of litigation. Therefore, mediation has become increasingly relevant in these unprecedented times of commercial turmoil in order to avoid financial crisis that has arisen in the country due to the ongoing pandemic. I hope the information provided by me on the topic is informative for the viewers. Thanks a lot.